This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to connect ChatGPT to Google Drive. So I'm right here on ChatGPT, logged in, as you can see here. This is the main message screen where you'd put a message prompt in here to the chatbot. Now you could directly ask ChatGPT, please connect Google Drive. So you could say that, but then there is a slightly easier way that will actually do that pretty efficiently, as long as you're logged into your Google Drive. But what we could do is come up here to the main menu, as you can see right here, and you'll see apps about a quarter of the way down the main settings panel right here. So we click apps. Now here are the featured apps, everything from Photoshop, Booking.com, Figma, Replit, Canva, etc. So different apps that you can connect directly to your ChatGPT. If you're not aware, there's a lot you can do. You can even connect your Spotify if you want to. So things are moving pretty fast now. So if we want to do Google Drive, let's search for Google Drive at the top here. And just like that, you'll see Google Drive appears at the very top. So we can work with Google Docs, Sheets and Slides. So let's click with Google Drive right there. Now we're going to literally click connect. And now we get this message, ChatGPT wants to connect to Google Drive. It's going to give you a little bit of sort of privacy and security information, what it's going to do. And we can click continue to Google Drive. Now, if you're already logged into your Google Drive, you'll get this message where you're authorizing with your Google account. I'm already logged in. If you aren't, you can just log in or sign in, which essentially it's asking me to do here. So you select your Google account, and you will authorize it by clicking continue. We can say select all, so we want it to give access to everything, or maybe you just want to select a few of these, up to you, and then you'll click continue. That has now been authorized. It should shuffle us back to ChatGPT, and you'll see now when I click this plus icon here, and I go down to more, I can see that Google Drive is connected. So I can start to talk to Google Drive. I can ask ChatGPT even to like move my folders around, add different things, remove things. I can do all sorts. You can do this with Gmail as well, by the way. I've got a different video on that. Canva as well, Notion. You can do it with just about anything. I mean, if we go back to the apps here, we've got all of these different featured apps. You can search for apps up there. There's lifestyle apps over here, a ton of different things. Productivity, everyone's getting in on the act. Everyone wants to be connected to these AI chatbots. We see GitHub here, Gmail, very important. So you can connect it to just about everything. That was a quick video on how to connect Google Drive to ChatGPT. Hopefully you found it useful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.